need to be so careful now. Why am I driving? I thought it's sun out. Oh my god. Crazy times we're living in. It is the first day. It has not been pouring down like crazy in like 1.5, 2 weeks. It's just so funny because in the beginning of April, it started to be such nice weather. And now all of a sudden, the weather just got cold for no reason. It has been like 22, 25 degrees in the sun, Celsius, and suddenly it changed and it got cold again to like 5 degrees and like -1 degrees at night, which is like water freezing temperature, if you know what I mean. Like, it has become cold as shit. And yeah, so I then remembered that I want to be a motovlogger. Of course, I don't want to just do motovlogs. I haven't really decided yet, but for now it's motovlogs, right? And then I mean, I thought this problem is going to come later at winter. Then I cannot drive my bike, and what do I do then on the channel, right? I don't want to let the channel die for like 4 or 5 months every year. Not that my winters are too harsh and I couldn't drive. Like, if it's cold, I don't really care, but it needs to be at least dry, right? And usually, sometimes up until December, we have like still 15 degrees or something Celsius, which is like a lot. And then usually it starts snowing in February or something. Like, when I remember correctly, 2 or 3 years ago, it snowed at the end of April. And 2 weeks later, we went to spring break. It was so crazy. But the thing that I asked myself is, what do I do on the channel? Now I had the realization way too early that even right now I probably cannot drive, and I don't know what to do with the channel. I just wrapped up work. I had to be in the office today. Went back home, and when I went back home, sun came out for the first time in like 2 weeks. I was like, happy, nice, cool, I can go for a ride now. So the sun disappeared while I got my stuff. I have a new windshield mount I want to try out. I have this new, I tried to set up my camera new, so maybe you guys can see more in my moto vlogs. So that's a thing. And now I'm out here without a sun, so there's no way the streets are going to be dry. Which, for the drive I have ahead of myself, I wanted to take a back road. I don't know if that's the best idea, because I have never driven a bike, or never rode my bike, rode my bike in wet conditions. I have no idea how good my tires are in those conditions. I have no idea how much my skill level needs to be in these conditions. So thank God the roads I have in front of me aren't too curvy, but I still feel like I could have a really big problem regarding some sledding kind of action. So, to say the least, I'm a little scared. And I cannot find neutral again. Something's off with my clutch though. I hope I just don't die, and if so, I have it on camera. Hopefully the new angle has some new bits. And on my way back I try the new angle, like the windshield thing. I don't know if I'm going to talk to it too much, to the camera. It's probably just for like short form, like aura forming or something, I don't know. Being the cool guy with a tinted visor and you don't really see my bike anyway. Oh my god, birds, go away. Woo. Wet. I'm so scared of falling. I think I have 2 more gears left. Like, the sprocket change is just such a nice thing to have done. At least 1 gear left, but I think it's 2. And I still have some throttle response. So that's kind of cool. Woohoo! Look! Sun rays! My windshield! My visor is completely wet! Why? So thank God they aren't too harsh, those turns here, so thank God I didn't die. Now I'm actually at my destination already. I just wanted to talk about this weather being so stupid, like, in all honesty. It's April, it can do what it wants. and it does what it wants, so I'm not too mad about it. But still, it's the point I wanted to talk about is that, like I said, it has been such a nice weather before, and now it's just like this weird ass weather where it's raining for 2 weeks after being like sunny for 3 weeks and nice weather, and for people visit the beaches and all again, and now it's just cold and ugly and disgusting. It's I don't like it at all. I'm just not going to drive down there. So usually you stick upright against my chin part and tilt it up, but I can't tilt it up enough so you see it now, though. That's why you're below here now, and tilt it up a bit. I hope that works. Who says I can't have like a talk with you off the bike, right? They called the cops on me. Help. Woo, woo. Maybe some burglars. Dude, I wish it would be a bit more dry. I hope they don't steal my bike though. Would be really cool if that could just turn off the sirens. Because, first of all, thank you. Second of all, why are you so loud now? And third of all, we're at the beach. If I hear sirens, I'm getting scared because they try to pull me in to the water. You get it? Siren joke? Sirens, like unicorn? I don't know what to do when there's like bad weather. I want to climb that boat so bad right now. I don't know if I can pre-record a lot, or if I get famous enough to move over to Texas, California, whatever. Oh, dude, I would be so happy to live in America. Leave me some things down in the comments. Would be cool if we can have, at the end of the day, a community that's coming because of the bikes, but staying because of the vibe, because of me, because of the community we build and all. Probably going to chill a few more minutes here and then throw in some clips of me with the new... Wait, I can show you actually. Oh, nice. Now the sun's coming out. Oh, I love that sun, brother. I love sun. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but this thing, you clamp that on the windshield and then records it like that. I hope this will be awesome. Yeah, I'm probably going to throw in some clips of me riding like that. Maybe. Probably. Oh my god, yes, sun. I love it. Going to enjoy a few more minutes here. Thank you for watching today's weird ass side quest with me. And yeah, much love. See you in the next one. Bye.